Hello, I'm Jonah Meyerberg, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at Desktop Metal. I'm here today to introduce you to the ETEC Xtreme 8K, a polymer 3D printer that delivers some incredible breakthroughs. There are 3 things that you need to know about this printer. Number 1, it's affordable. Number 2, it's very easy to use. And number 3, it's a breakthrough on producing high-quality parts at high volumes. DLP technology is one of the most trusted and mature forms of polymer 3D printing. But with the Xtreme 8K, we've literally flipped the script. We've taken the projector from below the vat, which is how most DLP printers do it, and put 2 projectors above the vat instead. This allows us to expose a very large print layer in one single flash. This also enables bigger and heavier parts that are difficult or impossible to suspend from traditional DLP build plates. We've given this printer more power density than any polymer printer on the market, 8 milliwatts per square centimeter. This level of power density allows us to cure parts faster and enables a next level of material properties. This includes our DuraChain resins with more durability and toughness than traditional polymers. We can even print rubbers and our revolutionary free-foam materials. What's more, the Xtreme 8K prints popular third-party materials, such as those from Hinkle and many others. Finally, we've packaged all of this technology with the world's largest DLP print volume, more than 66 liters, along with a vat that rolls in and out of the printer on wheels for easy material changeovers. The Xtreme 8K offers manufacturers a bigger, faster, and stronger DLP polymer 3D printer.